Thursday, guys. Today I'm going to be giving you your math lesson. So today we are doing how to find the missing angles measure by using adjacent angles. So an adjacent angles are angles that share a common ray. So remember, guys, this is a ray. That is what a ray looks like. Okay? So first, let's review. This symbol stands for angle, and that's what I wrote right here. The symbol means angle. So if I cover up this ray right here, if I cover up this ray, what angle do you see? ABC. ABC is what type of angle? It's a 90-degree angle. Okay? Now, if I cover this angle, what angle do you see? I see angle EBC. So, there are two angles, and if you cover up a ray, you see one angle. If I cover up this ray, I see another angle. Okay? Now, let's talk right here. You see this dot? This right here is the vertex. A vertex or vertices is the point where two rays meet to form one angle. So this ray plus this ray right here, this ray plus this ray right here. So this is its vertice. This is its vertex. Okay? So this is the vertex. Okay? So let's keep reviewing. So if I cover up this ray, I got a right angle, right? Which a right angle makes 90 degrees. If I cover up this ray, I have an acute angle, and an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay. So let's review, okay? We're going to start off with this anchor chart. And don't worry, I'm going to put these anchor charts on the lesson, and you'll be able to copy them at your own pace. So, let's review. You can find the missing measure by adding or subtracting. Okay, so I'm going to move over. Now, first, let's start by subtracting. So I'm going to take the exact same angle that I used on the other anchor chart. So angle ABC, we already knew was a right angle, right? And how did we know that? Because we covered up this ray and we realized it was 90 degrees and it has the corner. If I cover this angle, we know that angle ABC is 60 degrees. Now, how do we know that if I didn't measure with a protractor? Because that angle is given to us, okay? When you are adding and subtracting to find the missing angles, two of the measures of the angles will be given to you. So, you already know that angle ABC is a right angle. So, you already know that that angle is 90 degrees. So, this angle is 90 degrees, right? If I covered this angle, they're saying angle EBC is 60 degrees. What we're trying to find out is what is the measure of angle ABE. Okay? So, in order to find angle ABE, we're going to subtract. Now, how do I know to subtract and not add? The reason why I know to subtract is you always have to ask yourself, did they give you, first you have to ask yourself, what's the measure of the largest angle? Okay, and the way you always find out the largest angle is you cover the ray in the middle. So the largest angle would be ABC. And you know that ABC is 90 degrees. Okay? So because I know that this is the larger angle and it's 90 degrees, I'm going to subtract. Because these two angles create a larger angle. So 90 minus 60 is 30. So angle ABE is 30 degrees. Now let's check our work. Okay, oop, and I made a typo. So now let's check our work. Okay. 60 plus 30 gives me 90 degrees, which is angle ABC. Okay, so that's how you would figure it out by subtracting. Now, how do I know if it wants me to add? Well, let's look. So now let us try by adding, okay? So we know that angle ABC looks like a right angle, right? But did they give us the measurement? No. So they're saying angle ABE is 30, EBC is 60. Okay, so what is the angle ABC? Well, if I add 30 plus 60, it gives me 90 degrees. Okay, so now let's check it. If I do 90 minus 30, it gives me 60. So now let's try and do one together. Okay, guys, sorry for the pause. I had to get a new sheet of paper. Do not mind the little artwork. My godson was drawing a picture for me. So, if you are given this angle, okay, and remember, angle ABC is the larger angle. Angle DBC is another angle, and then you have ABD. Now, this is what's given to us, okay? So this is given. And you will always be given something like this. So, if angle ABD, we don't know. Okay, so we don't know ABD. We're trying to find that angle. Angle ABC, they're telling us, is 90 degrees. So I'm going to write 90 degrees by the vertex. Okay? Now, angle I got to go back and look. Angle DBC is 23 degrees. Okay? Now, what I'm trying to find out is, what is this angle's measure? So, what do we know? We know that ABC is 90 degrees. So, ABC is 90 degrees. Okay? We know that DBC is 23 degrees. But we're trying to find this out. So, remember what I told you. This angle right here plus this angle gives you this angle. Okay? So, let's subtract. 90 minus 23. Okay? And let me move the computer closer so we can see. So, I have to borrow, and this becomes an 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. So, it's saying that this is 67 degrees. But let's check ourselves. 67 plus 23, does it give us 90? Okay? 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry our 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. It does indeed give us 90 degrees. So it does check out. Okay? So this angle ABD, is 67 degrees. Okay? So that is how we find out the missing angles. Now, I'm going to give you some work. It is going to have QR codes where you can check your answers. Okay? Now, this is how we find the missing angles. Okay, guys? Good luck. Thank you.